BB-8. Hi guys, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to introduce you to BB-8. Let's have fun with Rachel! BB-8 is a droid from Star Wars. He helps Rey. So BB-8 to me, he looks like kind of like a basketball because he has the orange on him. And the gray is kind of like, so I think he looks like, so like his body is like a basketball because there's orange, and then the gray looks like black, and then there's this like part of a smaller his head is like half of a smaller basketball because it still has the orange and gray, and then there's a little black. So this is the BB-8 Hero Droid, and he's a remote-controlled robot toy. Voice commands are remote control, and he can even follow you around. He's actually, like, really tall because he's, like, 18 inches tall. That's almost the same size as the real one in the movie. So with him, you get a head that's connected to the body with magnets, and then a body, a remote control, some chargers, and an instruction. He's really fun to play with, but you need a lot of space to play with him because then he just crashes into stuff. I think if you have a basement, if it's big, I think it would be good to play with him, unless it's really messy. Like, some of the voice commands you can give him is like, go to sleep, and then to wake him up, you need to say BB-8, and like, if you say, stand guard, he just like moves his head around, and if he hears a noise, then he just goes around in circles and makes an alarm. And something that's kind of actually funny to me is that he crashes around so much. He just like crashes around so much. How BB-8 gets around is like his body rolls around, but the head still stays on because of the magnet. I have no idea where the magnets are. I want to show you what he's like to play with. Come on, I'll show you. Let's put them together. Yeah. Do that, BB-8. There's a few different modes. The first mode is voice mode. BB-8. No. He just bumped into the camera if you can't see him because he's right under the phone. BB-8, come here. BB-8, come here. BB-8. Hello? Here. BB-8, come here. Come here. Closer. Oh. Do that. Closer. Oh, no. BB-8, you're so heavy. Have you seen Rey? Stand guard. Stormtroopers! Go to sleep. Go to sleep. BB-8. How are you? Droid, please. He can do lots of other things too. The second mode is remote control. Now he's in remote control mode. You make him turn by leaning. And you can make him do forward and back. You can make him turn in circles. Whoa! He just went out of our living room. There's also a button that makes him do an action. And he has a few different actions. I like that pew pew. Pew pew, pew pew. Wait. Okay, too. He like moves it like straight, but then like he moves his head like straight, and I can't do it. I need to do like that, and I had like kind of bent. Ah, that's hard. Oh, I can't do it. The last mode is follow mode. He follows the remote control wherever you go. It's kind of funny what he does when his head falls off. Just like that. Let's put it. So he kept crashing into the plane because upstairs we played it with him in the living room and there's not that much space. To me, it's really funny when his head falls off. So at the salt flats, his head kept falling off because the salt was like so rough. And now I'm going to try to imitate one of his sounds. I can't imitate one of his. So I think BB-8 is cool. I had fun playing with him. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Bye. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop.